What distinguishes a good researcher from the rest? What are the qualities that make someone excel in the field of research? First on the list is being alert. A good researcher always has their senses tuned into the world around them. They are constantly aware of new developments, trends, and ideas that could potentially be the next big breakthrough. Staying alert allows them to seize opportunities and adapt to changes swiftly. Secondly, a researcher must be familiar with existing knowledge in their field. They need to be well-versed in the current literature, aware of past studies, and understand the existing theories and models. This foundational knowledge serves as a springboard from which they can launch their own investigations. Thirdly, a good researcher is more of a specialist than a generalist. While it's beneficial to have a broad understanding of various disciplines, specializing in a specific area allows the researcher to delve deeper and contribute more significantly to that field. The fourth quality is resourcefulness and skill in deducing consequences of a hypothesis. A researcher must be able to apply rigorous logic and critical thinking to test their hypotheses, predict outcomes, and interpret results. Fifth, perseverance and sincerity are key. Research often involves setbacks, challenges, and slow progress. A good researcher remains committed and sincere in their pursuit of knowledge, regardless of the obstacles they face. The sixth attribute of a good researcher is being well-trained in research methodology. They should be proficient in designing studies, collecting data, and employing statistical analyses. They should also be adept at all stages of the research process, from hypothesis generation to publication. Next, a researcher should be well-versed in different quantitative methods. They should be able to analyze data, draw relevant inferences, and interpret them in light of other studies. This requires a solid understanding of statistics and a keen eye for detail. The eighth quality of a successful researcher is the willingness to follow their procedure to a potentially unpopular conclusion. Even if the findings may bring social disapproval or contradict popular belief, a good researcher prioritizes truth over popularity. The ninth quality is integrity. A researcher must be honest, transparent, and accountable in their work. They should be ready to take pains in search of truth and uphold the highest standards of ethical conduct. The 10th attribute is courage. A researcher should be able to present their findings confidently, without being swayed by external pressures or biases. They should stand by their work, even in the face of criticism or disbelief. Finally, a researcher should have a passion for original and creative work, and be unbiased in their approach. They should strive to break new ground, think outside the box, and always approach their work with an open mind. To summarize, the key qualities of a good researcher include alertness, familiarity with existing knowledge, specialization, resourcefulness, perseverance, training in research methodology, proficiency in quantitative methods, willingness to follow unpopular procedures, integrity, courage, and a passion for original, unbiased work. These qualities are not just desirable, but essential for anyone who wishes to excel in the field of research.